everyone, it's Coding Uncoded with Legendary Coder, and today we are going to teach you how to make a block that moves. So, you guys already know how to make a block using typing code, but you guys don't know how to make it move, right? We are going to add a script.js, and in that we will teach you how to make it move. We are using Visual Studio Code. It's way better than Code.org Web Lab. And so yeah, first of all, we are going to give you the link in the description. You have to download that first. And so after you've done that, you probably see a welcome screen, and that doesn't really matter right now. What matters is we go to our desktop, right? And then do left click, then click new, and then go to folder. Click a folder and then name it whatever you want, and then have it here. I'm just going to delete it because I don't need to make it, but you guys do so. Now I'll go back to my Visual Studio Code, and then here I'm going to go to my file and go to open a folder, and then over here you're just going to choose your folder, and then the code file will come here, and then just X out your welcome screen if you have one. Now see this file, we are going to make 3 files: index.html, script.js, and finally, Legendary Coder. What's the last file? Alright, everyone makes it. Alright, now, after we've done that, we're going to make exclamation mark, enter. And then bam, we have this. Now what are we going to do, Legendary Coder? Correct, we're going to link our index.html with that. How are we going to do that? We're going to type link, go down twice, CSS, enter. Now go to our body. Now what are we going to do? Div. So let's just make the div first. Let's call it block. Now under that, let's link our script.js to our index.html. And how do we do that? We do script source. And then our thing is called script.js. So script.js. Now we will go to our style.css, do this Shift 8 thing, squiggly brackets, enter. We're going to make a padding of 0%, margin of 0%, enter. Now, hashtag block. This basically inside these squiggly brackets are the properties of this div named block. Alright, so we're going to give it a height of 100 pixels, width of 100 pixels. Background color, what color do you want? Brown. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to do position relative, and then under that we are going to have a position of where the block's going to be. It doesn't matter wherever your block is, to be honest, but I'm just going to give this guy a random position. Alright, now I want you guys to open a new Chrome tab, Wacko, and then do Control O. After you do that, I want you to go to your desktop and then go to your file, whatever you made. And then after you do that, our file is named code. So code, and then go to your index.html. And then voila, you have this block which is in brown color. But it doesn't really move. Now how are we going to do that? Since I don't want this to be super duper long, I'm going to paste the code right here. So 1 minute, let me just do this, that, and then bam, we have all our code. You can just pause the video and copy it, but I'm just going to explain you how it works. So we make a function and then make a let, which is basically a variable, and then what's the let? This let is basically saying so when you click left, this should happen. It basically is saying to move left. Make another function with this. If just to save time, you can just here. I'm just gonna do that. I'll just copy this, then do that, and then just change the function name and stuff. Name that. Oh, right, and then yeah, and then oh yeah, go to your left and then make this plus. That in mind. Now we will make a document that event listener, and this event listener basically listens to whenever the key is pressed. Whenever the event.key arrow left is pressed, execute move left, which is this function. Now after we've done that, we will have to save our project. I have an autosave, I don't have to worry about it, but if you see a circle next to your file, that means you have to save it. So in order to save it, on Windows, Control S, Mac, Command S. Now, for the final, we will go to our Chrome tab, refresh it, and do left arrow, right arrow! Woohoo! I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Hope you learned a lot from this. And I hope you guys will use this and make it even better. Post your suggestions for the next video in the comment section. Like, subscribe. Goodbye, everyone. See ya.